I don't, to be honest, worry too much about being underrated. I heard once MKBHD said that he never had like a viral moment throughout his career on YouTube as well. It was just like a slow burner, you know? Just consistently posting, growing. So I know that one day I'm gonna have 1 million subscribers more. I know that, right? Maybe several million, but I'm not in a hurry to get there. I have a great lifestyle. I take my mornings slow. I work for myself. I get to travel a lot. I support my family. I do the stuff that I really like. I work with amazing brands. I work with amazing companies. I love the people with whom I work with, you know, my team, everybody. And it's a slow burner, man. I'm in here for the long term. So it's, you know, whatever. I can see myself doing tutorials in the next 20 years, you know? Hopefully AI doesn't take me out of my job and starts making like way better tutorials than I could. Even then, I still feel like there's gonna be place for human connection, even in educational material, for sure, right? You can learn with AI and everything, and probably like the generations following are be really good at learning with AI. But I want to believe that there's still gonna be space for humans to educate other humans. That's my take on that. But yeah, I really don't worry about, I appreciate you saying that, but I don't worry about being underrated or not having, I mean, I've been hearing that, like, I'm not to brag, but you know, people have said that before, they're like, right? But just consistently chipping away at it every day, little by little, you know, I'm growing by 800 something subscribers per month, right? I can tell you right now. So I'm getting right now 323,000 views on my main channel per month. I get 8.3 thousand watch hours. I'm growing by 833 subscribers. So that's my current growth. Almost at 1,000 per month, which isn't bad at all. 12,000 per year. But, you know, I'm working all the time. So as I'm adding more high quality videos to my library of content, you know, that increases the views, the watch hours, and of course the subscribers as well. So yeah, slowly, we'll get there. I have no doubts that I'm gonna get to millions of subscribers. It's just a matter of time.